The Indian smartphone maker Lava has launched its new affordable 5G phone under Play series in India called Lava Play Ultra, with quiet premium-looking design. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Lava Play Ultra 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC2 GPU. As per the storage, smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Lava Play Ultra 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 64-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX682 sensor, along with the 5-megapixel macro lens. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the hole punch cutout at the top center. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 15 out of the box. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP64 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162.15 by 75.35 by 7.8 mm, and it weighs around 182 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Lava Play Ultra 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 14,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128 GB storage option is priced at 16,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 25th, in Arctic Slate and Arctic Frost color options. So, what do you guys think of this Lava Play Ultra 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.